శ్రీమతే రామంగాయన ప్లవనామ సంవత్సర దక్షిణాయన ಹೇಮಂತ ಋತು ಮಾರ್ಗಶಿರ ಮಾಸ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪಕ್ಷ ಮೂಲ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ತಿಥಿ ಭಾನುವಾರ. ಈ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಓಡದ ತೋಳ್ವಲಿಯನ್ ನಂದ ಗೋಪಾಲನ್ மருமகளே நப்பினாய் கந்த கமலும் குழலி கடை திறவாய் வந்தே கொந்தோழி அழைத்தனகாதவி பந்தலே கால்காய் கோயிலெங்கள் கோவினகான் பந்தரேறி உண்மை பேர்பட செந்தமரை கையால் சீரர்களை ஒலிப்ப வந்து திறவாய் மகிழ்ந்தெலோரம்பாவாய் வந்து திறவாய் மகிழ்ந்தெலோரம்பாவாய்.
अस्मत् गुरुभ्यो नमः. अस्मत् परम गुरुभ्यो नमः. श्रीमते रामानुजाय नमः. श्री परांकुशदासाय नमः. श्रीमते यामुनमुनये नमः. श्री राममिश्राय नमः. श्री पुंडरीकाक्षाय नमः. श्रीमन्नाथमुनये नमः. श्रीमते शठकोपाय नमः. नीलातुंगस्तनगिरितटी सुप्तमुद्बोध्य कृष्ण पारार्थ्यं स्वं श्रुतिशतशिरसिद्धमध्यापयन्ति स्वच्छष्टायां सृजनगलितं याबलात्कृत्य भुङ्क्ते गोदातस्यै नममिदमिदं भूय एवास्तु भूयः. अन्नवयल पुडुमै ஆண்டாளரங்கற்கு பன்னு திருப்பாவை பல்பதை மென்னிசையால் பாடிக் கொடுத்தாள் நற்பாமாலை பூமாலை சூடிக் கொடுத்தாளை சொல்லு சூடிக் கொடுத்த சுடற்கொடியே தோல்பாவை பாடி அருள வல்ல பல்வளையாய் நாடினீ வேங்கடவர்க்கு என்ன விதியென்ன இம்மாத்தம் நாங்கடவா வண்ணமே நல்கு. हिमालयं समारभ्य यावत् हिंदु सरोवरं तं देव निर्मितं देशं हिंदुस्थानं प्रचक्षते. Welcome you all to the 18th day Upanyasam of Tirupavai. In yesterday's Pashura, we saw Ambarame Tannire Shore Aram Shayyum Yemberuman Nandagopala Idandirai கொம்பனார்க்கெல்லாம் கொழுந்தே குலவிளக்கே எம்பெருமாட்டி யசோதா அறிவுராய் அம்பர மூடரத்தோங்கி உலகளந்த உம்பர்கோமானே உறங்காதே எழுந்திராய் செம்பொற்களடி செல்வா பலதேவா உம்பியும் நீயும் உறங்கேலோரெம்பாவாய். The Katyayini Vrata Nonbu has started the first day, and so far we have sailed through the 18th day Pashuram. Nammalvar says, Unnum shor, Paruhum neer, Tinnum vettilai, Ellam kannan. Just as per that, for the Jivatma to live, the minimum needs and requirements are the food, water, shelter, and good air. Nandagopa was also such a person who was doing that. Ambarme Tannire Shore Aram Shayyum. He was doing the dana. And the same parampara was continued by many of the emperors of India, where we see Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Amoghavarshana Nrupatunga, Samudragupta, Immadi Pulakeshi, Rajaraja Chola also continued the generosity towards common people to live. Shambur Kalaladi Shelva Baladeva. Here, Balaramadeva is wearing an anklet of gold. What does this signify? It signifies the material prosperity is one side, and another side it also means they were blessed with the Kainkarya of Shri Bhagavan. That's why it is told Shampur Kaladi Shalva Baladeva. Your feet must be decorated with the golden anklet so that the seva towards Paramatman, Shri Krishna, whom you are evidencing the avatara, being there with him and doing the Kainkarya all yourself is something what that matters. And if we see earlier also, we saw about Lakshmana Swami. It is told in Ramayana, Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampannaha, where it meant Lakshmi Sampanna by the means of Kainkarya Rupa, the Parai, which we are talking about from the first Pashura. What is the Shastra Sambandham of Ambara Mudaruttongi Ulahalanda? In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, it says, Esha Narayana Shriman, the person who is the reason for Srishti, Sthiti and Laya, and he is the Sarveshwaran, Yesha Narayana Shriman. Let us start with today's Pashuram. 18th Pashuram is a Meru Praya because it elaborates and enumerates about the Shri Devi and also gives one of the most important doctrine of Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, where the Sri Vaishnava principle says Shri Devi and Paramatma Sriman Narayana are inseparable. Sriman Narayana and Shri Devi are the Upaya and Upeya. Upaya, the means to reach a goal, and Upeya, the ultimate goal that to be reached. So, Shri Devi is thought the Upeya, the route to connect to the Paramatman, Lord Sriman Narayana. Mundu madahalittan odada tolvaliyan. O Paramatma, Shri Krishna, your valiant shoulders to get the must or the psychic hyperactiveness of an elephant barehandedly, that can be just done only by you, none else. Mundu madahalittan odada tolvaliyan. And here we can do the smarana of winning Neela Devi's heart when Sri Krishna Paramatma defeated those 7 bulls and approached Neela Devi and won her heart. Nanda Gopalan Marumagale Nappinnai. Now she starts wooing the Nappinai Abhiratti, that is Neela Devi, Shri Devi. O the daughter-in-law of Nanda Gopal, wake up. Nanda Gopalan Marumagale Nappinnai, Gandham Kamalum Kuduli Kadaitaravai. From long ago, there is a debate and discussion going whether women's hairs having natural fragrance or not. So here in Bhagavata, as per Bhagavata, we must consider that they are having, and all the gopikas without doubt have that fragrance. And Shri Devi Taya, I know that you are inside, and Andaltaya says, I am able to sense the fragrance of your beautiful hairs, Neela Devi. So, Gandham Kamalam Kodali Kaditeruvai, Vanda Yengum Kodi Alaitanagan. She upholds the features of the morning is already done and the dawn has already arrived. So, the cock and hens are shouting out loud to wake up. Madhavi Pandal Mel Kuilinangal Kuvinagan. Here we see the diversity of the whole of the bird clan. Here she speaks about nightingales. Then there's just not one nightingale, but a bunch of nightingales which is sitting on top of the creeper of Madhavi. Madhavi Pandal Mel Kuil Inangal Kuvinagan. The gangs of nightingales arriving to wake you up for the Sriman Narayana Seva. Pandar Virali Un Maitunan Perpada. This line is explained as Leela Vibhuti. After marriage, there are some of the games that is played between the Mappillai and Manappan, the bride and the bridegroom. They play the rolling coconuts from one to other side. So at last, who ends up with more number of coconuts, they won the game. Just like that, she is holding a ball with such an ease, and that ball is now imagined to be the Leela Vibhuti, the Bhumi, where all the Kapatanataka takes place, and the Kapatanataka Sutradhari is none other than Paramatman Sri Krishna. Un Maitunan Per Pada. Now, Andal Tayar says, we all know that Paramatman is inside, and we need to chant his names, we need to say him. And without your arul, without your grace, it is far from possible to us reaching to the Paramatman. So, why don't you be a bridge, a liaison to reach him out? Help us, O Mother, is what Andal Tayar is saying. Shandamarai Kayyal Shirar Valayolippa. O Neela Devi. Now, why don't you open the doors with such soft hands, just like lotus petals? Sri Devi, you are having such soft hands like lotus petals. Shandamarai Kayyal Shirar Valayolippa. And there is sound that is emitting out from the jewels and bangles that you are wearing. Shandamarai Kayyal Shirar Valayolippa. Vandatiravai. Vandatiravai Mahilda Elorempavai. Now, please come and open the door. Vandatiravai Mahilda Elorempavai. If you open, only then we can have the darshana of the Paramatman, Sriman Narayana. So, please come and open the door and let us do our part of Kainkarya to the Paramatman. And it is only possible with your permittance to approach us towards Shriyapati. So please allow us, is what the Gopi Vrinda is asking for. Let us do the Anusandhanam of today's Pashuram. Undu Madagalittan, Vodada Tolvalian, Nandagopalan Marumahade Napinnai, Gandam Kamalum, Kulali Kadaitiravai, Vandengum, Koli Alaitanakan, Madavipandal Mel, Palhal, Kuilinangal Kovinagan, Pandar Viraliun Maitunan Perpada, Shandamarai Kayyal, Shirar Valayolippa, Vandatiravai, Mahildelor Empavai. This 18th Pashuram also signifies the 18 chapters of Bhagavad Gita, the 18 Akshohini Sainya, the 18 days of Mahabharata Yuddha, the 18 Puranas that we have, Madvayam, Bhadvayam, Chaiva, Bhratrayam, Vachatushtvayam, Anapa Linga Kuskani, Puranani Prachakshate. The number 18 has a very important place where Acharya Ramanuja was denied for the Upadesha of Tirumantra for 17 times by his Guru Tirukkotiyur Nambi. And for the 18th time only, Acharya Ramanuja was given Upadesha of Tirumantra. Mangala Shasana Paret, Madacharya Purogame, Sarvaishcha Purvaira Acharya, Sahridayastu Mangala.
Hope all are enjoying Adhyatma Sudha, the spiritual nectar. Priya Bandhu, be generous. Subscribe, like and share to enlighten. Dhanyavad.